Hello guys, welcome to my channel B Square Trend. In this video, I will try to explain about simple moving average of a stock in the stock market. So let's start our video. Mainly I will focus on what is simple moving average and why we need simple moving average and importance of simple moving average. So simple moving average is the average of a script over a specific time period. The time period may be 20 days, 30 days, 50 days or 200 days. So why we need it and what is importance? So it is a important indicator for trading as well as investment. Mostly traders will use this indicator. Simple moving average indicates the health and trend of the stock. How to calculate simple moving average? Simple moving average is calculated based on the closing price of a stock market for particular period of time. It will be mostly 50 and 200-day moving averages. Traders and investors will use this 50 and 200-day moving averages. If we want to calculate 50 and 200 moving average, we need to take the closing price of a stock market for 50 days and 200 days and average it. So here 50 days and 200 days means we have to take the active sessions of the stock market. To get the 50 moving average, we need to consider 3 months of the closing price data so that we will get more than 50 active sessions of the market. The same applies for 200 moving average. We have to consider at least 10 to 11 months of closing price of the particular stock. That will get the 200 active sessions of the stock. If the current price of a stock is above 200-day simple moving average, then we will consider the stock is in bullish trend. If the current price of the stock is below 200-day simple moving average, then we will consider that stock is in bearish trend. Now we'll see how to get the data from NSE and how to calculate the simple moving average. Just go to NSEindia.com and here search for any particular stock. Here I'm searching for the State Bank of India. And now once it is open, now go down all the way down. So click on this historical data and here you can see 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. All the data you can download or you can give from and to dates, and you can do the filter and you will get the data. Here you can see high, open, low, previous, last trading price, every detail you can see here. So our interest is on 1 year of data so that we can get 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average. Here once you select 1 year, you can download this CSV file. Click on this. Okay, I'm opening this file. We'll see how to calculate it and just expanding the columns. Okay, so our interest is to calculate 50 and 200-day moving average. So we'll go for 50 simple moving average and 200 simple moving average. Okay, so you have to go for closing price. This is the closing price. Okay, open, high, low, previous, and this is the closing price. So we'll calculate the simple moving average for 50 first. Okay, so if you want to calculate 50, we have to select 50 rows. So we are in second row of 51 here. Okay, so here you give equal to sum of select the rows now, that is from closing price of this one to 52. Okay, here, right, till here. Okay, so close this and we are calculating 50. See, you can see that is the simple moving average for 50 days. Now we'll check for 200. So 200, how will go all the way down we have to go till 201. So this is a 201. So here you will give equal to sum of starting from row number 2 to 201. Okay, and then close it, divided by 200 moving and enter. 200 moving average. So you can see now the current price of the State Bank of India is 189. Okay, here you can see. So what we can say, this is the moving average for 200 day. As compared to 200 day moving average, now it is bearish. As compared to 50 day moving average, it is bullish, because this is current market price is more than the simple moving average. So this is the way we need to calculate the simple moving. To how to find this simple moving averages, go to money control, and the money control site, go down, search for SBI and go down here. Here you can see simple moving averages, all the days 5, 10, 20, all you can find it here. And also here also you can select the 50, 100. See, we calculated for 50, right? So you can see 177. We also got the 177. We go over Excel, see 177.02. For 200 moving, 269. At the same way, you can use this one more site. Here also you can see some moving averages. Simple moving average 10 days. We calculated for 50 days, right? So you can see 177.02, and also 200, that is 269.7. This is the way we need to calculate moving averages, and we have to compare it. So based on that, we have to plan our trading or investment.